Hey all, it's Hannah and Jeremy with the Savory Suitcase. This week we are headed to one of Florida's most unique state parks.
Last you saw us, we were sailing down the St. Johns River and taking a bioluminescent tour in Cocoa Beach. Our next destination is somewhere that you can eat pancakes, snorkel, and take a boat tour all before lunchtime.
DeLeon Springs is very popular, especially in the summer months, so it is possible you might wait in a very long line to get in. We waited about 45 minutes once we were in line and arrived about 15 minutes before the park opened.
The front gate had a sign letting you know how long the restaurant wait could be. Even entering only a half an hour after the park opened, we were looking at about an hour wait, so pack your patience pants for this day.
The Pancake House has been serving pancakes since the 1960s and sits near the 1850s ruin of the historic sugar mill. The pancakes are still made from stone ground grains to this day.
Our wait ended up only being about 30 minutes, and then they texted us to let us know that our table was ready. The pancakes are all you can eat, and you griddle them yourself right at your table.
This pitcher is full of the buttermilk batter. And then I have the bananas, the peanut butter, and the chocolate chips.
They have both a buckwheat and a buttermilk batter, as well as maple syrup and molasses right at the table.
How many pancakes did you eat?
54. Like 4, I don't know. They were good.
After digesting for just a few minutes, we decided to take the boat tour along the springs to Lake Woodruff National Wildlife Refuge. The tours run hourly and include a guided narration of the area's history. The spring waters were considered to be healing waters, previously named by the Mayaca peoples, and may be why Ponce de Leon believed that he had found the Fountain of Youth.
Although never a guarantee to see wildlife, we were lucky enough to spot a couple of alligators as well as quite a few different types of birds, including osprey and egrets.
On our way out of town, we drove through the scenic Ocala National Forest and found a very interesting last-minute stop.
The Barberville Yard Art Emporium is a roadside legacy in Central Florida, selling an unimaginable amount of different yard sculptures, including windmills, mailboxes, animals, and mermaids.
Click that like button, subscribe to the channel, and join us next week as we find another summertime adventure to share. We'll see you there.